Do you enjoy a proper bridal tea? For this bridal shower design, I wanted to give the traditional tea a modern spin with glamorous touches and a stylish edge. Tea service includes not only a variety of brewed teas, but also fun tea cocktails. Guests are able to enjoy making their own perfume and treat it to a custom illustration of their favorite stylish pair of heels. This Southern Glam tea will definitely be an experience everyone will remember. I hope my bridal shower collections get you to think beyond the typical bridal shower games and tea sandwiches. Thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to dream, love, and celebrate life.